Sri Lanka's lush landscapes are adorned with numerous waterfalls, each with its own unique charm. Nestled amidst the verdant hills of the Nuwara Eliya district, Andawala Falls stands out as a captivating spectacle, especially during the rainy season. Reaching over 80 meters in height, Andawala Falls descends in a series of cascading tiers, creating a mesmerizing symphony of rushing water. The source of its power is a small tributary of the mighty Mahaweli River, drawing vitality from the network of tea plantations that blanket the surrounding hills. However, the tributary's flow diminishes significantly during the dry season, transforming the falls into a more subdued cascade. The falls are conveniently located near the Andawala Grama Niladhari office on Brookside Road in Lanka. Interestingly, the road itself divides the falls, creating distinct upper and lower sections. While parts of the waterfall have undergone natural erosion, it remains a breathtaking sight, especially during the rainy season when its sheer volume and power leave visitors awestruck.